Now, what is up fam? In this video I'm presenting you the Cache Placements VVS drum kit, and it looks amazing. And I must say, this drum kit is literally fire because it contains loops and samples, a drum kit, Midi hi-hats, and a perfect drum set. For loops and samples we are having here, I think it's around 15 loops and samples. Also we're having 10 hi-hat Midis, a cool drum kit which contains kicks, 808s, hi-hats, snares, claps, and percussions, and also a perfect drum set, so Midis and drums. I will show it right now to you. Let's create something amazing out of this kit, because I literally thinking that you can put a lot of cool beats out of this drum kit here and get a lot of cool placements with these beats when you are doing them correctly. Let me show you how to do it. Simply you're going inside your channel rack, click on perfect drum set, then we're going to the drums and inserting here all our drum sounds, so 808s, clap, hi-hat, and the snare. Then we're putting everything on a different channel. Cut self, click on cut self, click on cut self. I think you already know this. Then we are taking the Midi and we're inserting literally it. So the 808 to the 808, the clap to the clap, the hi-hat to the hi-hat, the kick to the kick, and the snare to the snare. So we're having a pattern for our drums. Here it is. Then we are going to our loops and samples. Sounds already fire. This one here. Or this one. And let's take for example this one. Or for example this one. Typically sounds like a Pierre Bourne beat. I can literally hear Pierre Bourne over this beat here. Or something like this. This one. And again 151, 51. And it sounds literally like a Pierre Bourne beat. And you're already seeing that I just took here the perfect drum set, put everything on to the channel rack, and then we are just choosing different yeah, different loop samples and putting it here inside our playlist to create amazing beats. So literally you can make here 15 beats just out of the loop and samples. What we also can do is just experiment a little bit with this beat and also with the hi-hat. Let's go to the hi-hats. So we're having here the Midis, and we can change up the hi-hats here. Change the 808. Literally amazing, yeah. I can literally hear Pierre Bourne on this beat here. Yeah, maybe we can play a little bit with the pattern, split it. Yeah, that's literally fire. Yeah, fire, just fire. When you want to take a free demo sampler from this Xcaler Beats Cache Placements VVS drum kit, just check out the description box down below. There's a free download link, so you can try this kit out for yourself. Yeah, and when you like it, you can of course get it also on the website xcalerbeats.com. Type beats or beats in that type, of course. And you saw already, you can make these beats literally in like 2-3 minutes. Just take the perfect drum set, put the drum sounds inside it so they're always fitting together, then the Midis, and then just insert one loop or one sample here inside the playlist and you are done. Yeah, maybe you need to adjust the BPM a little bit, just change out the drum sounds when you, I hope you liked it, and yeah, see you in the next video.